Hi, welcome back guys to If the Bra Fits. I'm so excited. We have already learned how to do the measurement on ourselves, and today we're going to learn how to do a measurement on someone else. That way we all have the ability to help someone else in our life with their bra. So we're going to jump right in today. No bother with a recap. I'm just excited that you guys are here. We're going to jump right in and do the measurement on someone else. So, the first thing that you're going to need, we went over last time, you're going to need something like a tape measure or a piece of shoestring or a piece of thread, anything that's movable and wrap-aroundable of the person that you're trying to measure. So, you're going to want something that's bendable, it's going to stretch, but not with a little bit too stretch because we want it to be able to go around the person but not stretch and then stretch back. So, we don't want it to be elastic, we want it to be a nice solid piece of fabric or string that we're going to use. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to stand right in front of the person that you're measuring. You're going to have them stand right in front of you. Most of the times when I do it, I have someone put their hands on their hips just like this because you have a relaxed body in this area. When you have your arms like this, your chest is out, you're standing up straight, so you have the best posture that you possibly can have when you are like this. Plus, we feel like Superwoman or Superman when we are sitting like this. So I have them stand in front of me, put their arms just like this. For our example, we have a mannequin, so she has no arms. But we are going to take our tape measure. You're going to hold it by the 1 in your dominant hand. And what you're going to do is you're going to go around the back of the person. We're going to make sure that that bra band, that bra tape measure, whatever we're using to measure, is going to be right where that bra band sits on the person, which should be parallel with the floor, straight back around, and underneath the bust. Then what we're going to do is you're going to come up underneath the armpits and you're going to come across the fullest part of the bust. You want to get above the bust. So you kind of want to come over right where the bra strap and the cup would meet, which is going to be right here. We're going to want to come right here. So you're going to come hit kind of high. We don't want to get breast tissue when we're doing this measurement because it's going to be our band measurement. So we're going to go up above. We're going to take one quick measurement. You're going to pull as tight as you can without any kind of spillage. We want it to be nice and snug so that measurement, that tape measure doesn't move at all. So that way that we have that going on. So right now I'm getting her at a 35. So when we talked about before, when you get at an odd number, you're going to round down with the band measurement and you're going to go down. The next measurement we're going to do, we're going to come back out and then we're going to go across the bust. You're going to go across the fullest part of the bust on this measurement. And you're going to give about a finger's width of space. So we want to put about this much space. So your finger should be in between the measurement tape or the string and the actual breast tissue. That way we're getting an accurate measurement. And we want to make sure that nothing is flowing over that cup or over that tape or over that string that we're using to measure with. There, I got her at a 36. So we got her at the 34 band and a 36 bust. So you subtract your 34 from your 36, and that gives you 2. So then you're going to count your cups. You're going to go A, B. So her bra measurement would be a 34B. And then after we do the measurement, the very, very, very first thing that you're all going to want to go do is try on a bra. And check out my next video so we can figure out what style bra you should be trying on, where it should be setting out on you as far as your settings, and then we can go over how it's supposed to fit. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Definitely leave me any comments if you have any questions, any concerns. I will definitely answer back. And don't forget to check out the TikTok at If the Bra Fits.